Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to prepare a pie chart or a circle chart in Excel. Pie chart looks like a round circle divided into slices like a pizza. So let me explain by taking small example of expense distribution in a preschool. So I have a small table, expense and amount. The amount are shown in percentage. So please understand the pie charts. If you want to show the pie charts, you have to use the percentages. So parts of whole, that is percentages. Okay. So now prepare it. Select the data. Go to insert menu. Now you see here, there's a pie chart here. Fine. Now click here and just simply click the first option, pie chart. Now Excel will display a circle divided into slices. Bigger the slices, bigger share of total. Now you see this pie chart, the 50% of expenses is from teacher's salary. Why we are going to use this? Shows how the total is split. You see the amount, how the total amount is split into various category of expenses. Helps you see which part takes more or less. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much.